Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am very excited to start these videos. Our channel is called Boris the Bulldog, of course, because I've got a dog. His name is Boris, and he's half American Bulldog, half English Bulldog, so he's our Bulldog. I just wanted to start these videos because I love my dog, and I just need to talk to someone about my dog because I love him so much. And I'd love to share these videos with other dog lovers. And yeah, just show off my dog and talk about him. So this is Boris. He's actually trying to talk to me right now. Boris, what'd you say? What were you saying? Boris? Hey, Boris. Well, now that I'm paying attention to him, now he doesn't want to talk to me. He's only trying to talk to me to get attention. Now he's got my attention. So anyways, to start these videos out, I just wanted to just talk about Boris. Right now he's sick. He's got kennel cough, is what we're thinking. We're still waiting to hear back from the vet. It takes... Oh, there you go. What'd you say? Yeah, it takes about, I think they said a week to get the lab results back. Yeah, Boris? So right now we're just giving him, cough medicine. It's actually like human cough medicine. Well, specific kind of cough medicine we had to get from the pharmacy. And then he's on antibiotics too, which I'm not sure is a good idea, because if you know anything about health, you're not supposed to take antibiotics unless it's necessary, but he is sick, so I hope these help. Yeah, we have to, for his cough medicine, we have to squirt this in the back of his throat, and he hates it, so he gets a treat after he gets that medicine. Alright, so let's talk about kennel cough. So, it's kind of like the human flu. There's different strains of it. Boris got the vaccine for Bordetella, which is the kennel cough. He still got it because, there's different strains out there. He stayed at daycare a few weeks ago. He stayed overnight, and he stayed most of the day. On Sunday, about 2 days there. Yeah, so one of the dogs must have had it there, unfortunately. So now, yeah, we took him to the vet to get treatment. Some say you don't need treatment, but, he's coughing, and it could always lead to pneumonia, so we just don't really take any risks with this little guy. So I took him to the vet. They prescribed him some cough medicine to alleviate his cough and his pain. He got some antibiotics. Yeah, hopefully that treats it. Yeah, sometimes he makes like a honking noise. That's the main sign that it's kennel cough. He's just been coughing. He's just honked a few times. So hopefully he's getting better, but he's been coughing a lot still. Yeah, I would say that's what I know about kennel cough. And chicken and rice is like the best thing you can give to a sick dog. So he just got white rice and little shredded pieces of chicken, because if you give him clumps of chicken, he will pick out the chunks and he will not eat any of the rice. So we got him to eat most of the rice, but as you can see, he just makes a mess of it. It gets like stuck in the side parts of his mouth too, and he just tries to avoid eating the white rice. So he makes a mess of it. But it looks like actually he's eating like the white rice. He must be really hungry. He eats like 4 cups of food a day. He's a very active dog, so it's okay that he eats a lot of food. Oh, yep, it's stuck in his mouth. Yeah, you can tell he's very skinny, active dog. Hey, buddy. Boris. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Oh, there he goes. You want me to join you? Hey, buddy, come on. Come on, Boris. So Boris is starting to cough. I just want to kind of record this and show you what that kennel cough kind of looks like. Poor thing. Poor Boris. He's just in a lot of pain. Whenever he gets active or starts playing, he starts this coughing spell. So really, I've been trying not to give him walks, sadly, just to avoid the coughing. Are you frisbee, Boris? Get him, Boris. So Boris here, he does not like playing fetch. He will not bring the frisbee back or a ball or anything like that. And it makes me mad sometimes. It's so annoying. Is that yours? Alright guys, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I gotta play with my bulldog. Definitely like and subscribe to Boris the Bulldog, our video channel. Look out for more dog videos that I'll be posting.
Shake. Shake. Oh yeah, good man. There you go. There you go.